Hey everybody, it is Monday, October the 27th. We got Johan out of town right now, traveling to see some clients. So if you get stuck with us two pretty faces doing the video today, hopefully that's not too bad. Looking back, we had a really nice weekend. On Saturday, our little guy Rory had a trunk or treat thing at school. First time for me ever being a part of a trunk or treat, but it was a lot of fun. Obviously, nice to meet some of the parents. A lot of fun for the kids, getting lots of candy and lots of treats and all that kind of stuff. And then on Sunday, with Johan being out of town, his daughter had a soccer game out of town. So Caitlin came and dropped their little guy Nash off at our place. They had a play date kind of all day just to give her a break. And Nick had a fun weekend going up north to the mountains.
Yeah, yeah. So, girlfriend and I got to go just over the North Carolina border and got to see some of the fall colors up there. Just a quick trip, but yeah, really nice.
Couple hikes.
Couple hikes, got a couple hikes in, stayed active, and yeah, it was just a beautiful time of year, especially
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah,
So,
all the
and I
fall
saw your
colors.
trunk or treat pictures.
Yeah.
I mean, it was a pretty nice costume. I don't know who had the bigger smile, you or Rory, but looked like a lot of fun.
Yeah, I like dressing up. It's a good time. I was a dinosaur. Looking back at last week, bud, what do you
Yeah,
see?
so a good week, broad markets, major indices up around 2%.
Yeah,
Kind of get into why a little bit later here, but yeah, a good little rally last week.
yeah. And then continuing looking back at last week, the Social Security Administration released their 2026 COLA adjustment number. So that's going to be 2.8%. On Friday, we saw the CPI numbers come out. So 0.3% was the increase month over month, which put the annual inflation rate at about right at 3% flat. Both those numbers are lower than expected, beat expectations. So that kind of leads into this week, the Fed meeting on Wednesday, kind of broadly expected to see another 25 basis point rate cut there. Right?
Yeah, yeah. So just with those economic numbers just being a little bit lower than expected, that's kind of solidifying that thought that yeah, the Fed's going to go ahead with that quarter point cut.
Yeah.
And there's a couple other things to look forward to this week too.
Yeah, so this week we're going to see a lot of earnings reports. I think a lot of people, especially, are kind of looking towards those tech companies coming out. And then part of last week, again, just seeing those indices up is a lot of the trade talks, right? And seeing progress with the US-China trade talks. There's been kind of some positive things coming with that going into today. Numbers are expected to still be going up, and we'll be kind of just monitoring that as the week goes, and hoping for some, nice news to come out of that.
Yeah, yeah. So a lot to look forward to, a lot to keep an eye on, and we will do that here.
Yep.
And yeah, just enjoying this beautiful time of year.
Absolutely. Any questions, comments, concerns, please reach out. I hope you have a great week.